found some rocks near the ocean. And we're flying some drones today. And today, we're starting a new series here. It's gonna be called Drone Battle, Drone War, something like that. So basically, I'll be going head to head with another drone pilot in this series. I mean, I can barely call myself a drone pilot. I've only been doing it for like a few weeks. But today, I'm doing it with this guy, Matt.
What's up?
His socials will be on the screen right now. Go get him to like 15 subscribers on YouTube. Any of you local Rhode Islanders, we're at Brenton Point State Park. We're gonna be going to a few locations. As far as rules go for this, right now it's pretty relaxed, but some of the other episodes will probably introduce some more challenges and stuff like that. But today it's kind of just like use the battery life you've got on your drone, get as many shots as you can, and basically whoever cuts the better like 30-second sequence wins. But we're not gonna be deciding that. You guys probably will. So yeah, let's get to flying. Hey Matt, what drone you got there?
I have the MAVIC Air, MAVIC Air 1. Got this drone 3 years ago, I think. I'd like to point out that I'm at a pretty significant disadvantage, as Sam has basically the best drone that DJI makes at the moment.
DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus. It's not mine though, disclaimer.
So we're gonna see. I only have 15 minutes of battery life in each battery. I have 3 batteries, but I'm not sure what I can do with this.
Thing with Matt though, doesn't edit in like a crazy expensive software like I do. Like I have Adobe Premiere. What do you even use?
Magic's Movie Maker Pro Plus, something like that. I'm trying to get into Adobe Premiere Pro, but it's a little complicated at the moment. First shot, I'm going over this island, little rock island out there, bunch of birds on it. Usually looks pretty cool if you fly over something with birds because they start flying away. Gonna get some passing shots, fly over it and tilt down as I'm flying over it.
Yeah, Matt's pretty much like, he already knows what shots he's getting. And I have no idea. I kind of just am gonna wait until my drone's in the air and like figure it out as I go. I also should mention that this lighting is pretty dang bad right now. It's full-blown sunlight, middle of the day.
As my drone's moving, I'm also tilting the camera and panning at the same time, and I'm adding a little height. The more movement you have with the camera, and the closer you are to the foreground, it adds a lot of depth to the shot.
That's like totally a pro at this. It takes me like 5 minutes to get like one shot. All I keep hearing is the beeping on the controller as he's pressing record and stuff.
When I'm filming stuff that's kind of far away, I often use sport mode to get to that place quickly, and then I can come back quickly, so I don't waste a lot of battery and travel.
What's the top speed on the MAVIC Air?
Top speed in normal mode, where you have obstacle avoidance and the camera's steady, about 20 miles an hour or so. If you're filming something in sport mode, you can get closer to 40 miles an hour, I'd say.
Pretty sure the Phantom like hauls for its size. I'm pretty sure it goes like wicked fast. I'll put this top speed on screen after I like look it up because I just don't know it. But I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, it just hauls. Too good. About recording with this massive thing, the fact that it comes in a giant like separate camera bag. Like I already have like a big camera bag, and like this thing, it comes with like all the propeller guards, and you gotta put the propellers on, and these batteries are huge, and then I gotta take the gimbal off and let that calibrate. It's a giant controller, except this one is, I kind of like the fact that this controller is a little bit bigger. It feels a little bit more secure to me. But transportation wise, it's just not ideal. That's what you get when you have a 4K 60 drone with a variable aperture. For camera settings, for drones, what I've heard is you never want, even if you're putting it in a 24 frames per second timeline, you definitely don't want to shoot in 24 frames per second because it gets like really jittery. So I'm recording 4K 30 right now, and shutter for drones especially, it's a must that you use like the 180-degree shutter rule. So I'm doing 1/60 for that. Luckily, this drone has a variable aperture, which is so clutch in situations like these, where I think I only have ND8 on there, which is just definitely not enough. So I'm on F8 right now, and now I have like a good exposure. D-Log, I know Matt shoots in, what are you shooting?
Decent alike.
That's like the HLG for drones, I'm pretty sure. It's like a hybrid profile. I'm just gonna like raise the drone up. I'm just shooting straight down at the water right now, like the clear water. I think it looks pretty cool. And I'm just kind of flying along the shore, doing a really slow tilt up. I'm like perfectly tracking this car right now. Or I just panned up to the landscape. Oh, that was beautiful. I might not lose this after all. So there's like this monolith structure type thing, we're calling it. I'm just gonna get a forward shot of it. That's clean. I don't think I got that many good shots. I'm running out of ideas here, so.
Not the best location. 2 more locations maybe, so plenty of time.
Gotta redeem myself.
We are about to attempt Sam's first hand catch. I've never caught a phantom before, but Sam, bring it down. That's good. Kill him. Kill him. Yeah, yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, I still have 47% battery. So we're on the way to our second location and realized we couldn't park anywhere, but on the way found this pretty cool like cove just out of the blue. Got this over here on the other side of the road. Absolutely stunning.
Bit chilly though.
That's gonna be the first one to fly today in this location.
Using an ND16 again. Make sure I don't lose the details and the shadows, these houses and stuff in the water.
Damn it, that's literally the shot I was gonna do.
That's a really good shot I just got.
So you got orbiting shot of the house.
I'm currently getting an orbiting shot of the other house, the brick one. Now I'm pulling away. So I like to do shots where the foreground moves faster than the background. So I like to fly kind of close to things, like a house looks cool. And if you kind of pant or slide next to it, then the background flies by.
How do you feel about that flight?
That was, I don't think I've ever gotten that many good shots in a single flight, so pretty good.
Well, that's not good for me. Now it's my turn to fly. I'm getting this rock in the foreground here. Or well, actually it's the main subject. But there's gonna be a lot of like parallax behind it because the houses are pretty far back, so.
Sam's gonna do a clip at 4K 60 of him flying over these little island with birds on it. The birds are currently not happy with Sam at the moment. Oh my god.
I think we got one more location today. Could be
Mansions?
Wrong. Yep. Don't have much battery left though. We're at the next location. We're kind of taking off from this like pretty sketchy area. Matt's out there. All right, so what's the first shot you're getting?
First shot, I honestly don't know. I'm just gonna fly over to those houses over there because they're massive, so they're cool.
We're taking off again. Ooh, this one's nice. No bikes, no alcohol, no smoking, no graffiti, no littering. Doesn't say anything about no drones.
more relaxed flight.
Yeah, this one's easier. This one's nice and close. Basically shooting back there behind that fence. I'm wondering how my footage is gonna come out. I'm hoping pretty good, but I'm not too confident. I've only gotten a few shots in each spot we went to. It seems like Matt is just able to get like better shots and faster than me, so he ends up getting more too.
I'm getting a lot of like low to the ground, flying over it's a very large lawn. I'm getting a lot of shots that are like low to the ground, flying over the lawn. I'm getting some rotating shots. I have to be careful for trees.
And that is the sound of low battery. All right, so we're all wrapped up with shooting with the drones. Now Matt and I are gonna go each edit our own little sequence. Then we're just gonna put them on our Instagram stories and have y'all vote which one you like the best. And then I'll check back in, see who won. So I'm gonna show those sequences now.
Yeah.
So we had people vote now. I've got the results. So we had a total amount of votes of 146, which is a lot more than I thought we'd get. Matt, you got, for your sequence, 88 votes, and I got 58 votes. So that means you are the winner of the first ever drone battle. How do you feel?
I feel great.
You feel great?
Yeah.
Did you think you were gonna win?
I did think I was gonna win. I feel like I should win.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I knew he was gonna win, but I was kind of secretly hoping I could like come from behind and
Use your editing skills.
use my editing skills,
Yeah.
but clearly you guys didn't like slow and cinematic. It's fine. If you guys enjoyed this first episode of the drone battle, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Also, give me some future video suggestions down in the comment section below. Subscribe to Matt, make sure he gets to like 20 subscribers. And yeah, I'll link his Instagram, YouTube down below. And yeah, I'll see you later. You're supposed to cover the lens.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Can you
My bad.
do it? No, your fingers. There you go. Now we can stop the video.